Another reason why this campus report matters is it builds transparency and trust. Listen, early in my leadership as a principal, I didn't always want to just lay all the data out there. If the data didn't speak to what I wanted it to look like, if it didn't show what I was wanting it to show, then I was a little resistant on sharing that with my people. But over time, I realized that having that level of honest reflection, having that transparency as a leader, it opens up dialogue. It allows for your staff to really trust you as a leader, and it strengthens their investment and identifies those areas of improvement. They know, we always say that as leaders, we always say that a lot of times teachers, you can't fool the students. The students know if you care about them. The students know if you're prepared. The same is true for us as leaders. You can't fool your staff. The teachers know, right? The teachers know what's going on in the building. So for you to potentially not share or not or hold back on some of that, it puts a wedge between staff and leadership. And so I encourage you, these campus reports is a great way to build that trust with your staff.